The 29-gallon tall tank is very sparsely populated at this point because after holding them for over 3 weeks, I came to know that the 10 true Siamese algae eaters that I got from the local pet store in a special order were healthy. My friend Charles purchased them, so I was just quarantining them for him. I did put these 5 forktail rainbowfish in with the true Siamese because they came from a reputable breeder, and so chances are they are free of disease and parasites. And now that I've had these rainbowfish for a couple of weeks, and they do indeed appear to be quite healthy, I want to remove them from this tank to free it up. Now, it's a tremendous opportunity to acquire 5 fine specimens of this species, but it's not a species that I'm all that anxious to breed. I understand they are quite easy to breed. However, it's a tropical species, and I'm moving toward subtropical fish which don't require heater. For me, the logical place to put these 5 is in my 72-gallon CO2 injected tank, which is heated so that my true Siamese algae eaters can remain healthy in that tank. The species I'd like to continue breeding is the Gabon killifish, which doesn't require a heater. So I'll move these fish into the 75-gallon, and as it is heated, I want to move my Betta splendens and my ancistrus into this tank, along with Anubias and Java fern, because the ancistrus keeps the leaves of those slow-growing plants free of algae. Here's a look at the 10-gallon Betta splendens setup. As you can see, the Anubias are largely free of algae. I only feed the ancistrus every other day so that it will be encouraged to gnaw the algae off the leaves of these plants. It's a young specimen, so it's not fully grown yet. 10-gallon is kind of small for an ancistrus, and so moving it on to a 29-gallon should be a good move. Once the 10-gallon Betta splendens tank is freed up and I remove the heater, I can move these Gabon killifish into that tank, and hopefully they will have left behind some viable eggs that will soon hatch in here, and I can continue the breeding process in that fashion.